Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we look at tonight's review, I wanted to give you some thoughts into next week and also some thoughts around how markets can move around expirations. So this is the week of the October monthly expiration, and a lot of times you can see consolidation around expirations. Now I know that may come as an odd statement when you've been seeing 100 handle ranges in the S&P, but let's begin with the thought process here in the dollar that just says anyone can look at this, and when you say what is the trend, it is plainly obvious to see from lower left to upper right constitutes a bullish trend. But inside any trending move, there will be moments of pause, moments of consolidation, and then moments when it's ready to resume the move again with the trend. One of my favorite ways to try to look for that are moments when you have squeezes. So you see through here, when this squeeze signal fires, the transition of the red dots into the green shows us a directional movement in price. You see that movement all through here. And now we have this signal showing up again. So I am of the opinion that we probably need a couple more days, right? We can get through Thursday and Friday, and maybe the dollar will do, who knows what exactly. I'm not trying to predict the day-to-day movement, but I'm saying when you finally get out of, kind of sideways trade, which way are we going to move? And I just really feel like the squeeze is probably showing us something that sees us up above the 115 handle and with a long enough horizon actually on into 120. So I think that's one of the most important signals out there. If by some whatever I end up being wrong in the dollar, well, then I will have to reevaluate everything. But as long as that theme remains true, well, then we're going to see gold, right? This was something that we discussed last week. That, gold bugs, this is the worst for them because they're some of the most difficult to get off the idea that, gold is good. And it just really is not the theme that's unfolding right now with a low compression squeeze that is fired short. You probably looking at 1520 as the next major level in the futures. Then you've got Bitcoin that is going to be the same. I think sub 13K is where you're looking for here. All of this impacted by that daily squeeze in the dollar. And then the next that I'm still not as sure about, but if all of this unfolds as we've been seeing, well, then the next squeeze in the NASDAQ would also be a bearish signal. So just kind of stay on your toes out there. I think if anything, if you're waiting for a spot to buy, I think you might keep waiting. If you're willing to be short into November, I think a couple of these products that we've looked at may be worthy of that. And then we'll update these ideas as they continue to unfold. So y'all have a great rest of your evening, and I'll see you in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.